Come test drive the 2017 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, power liftgate, FWD, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, mini spare tire, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, rear parking aid. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.